Make a great choice today with the 2016 X5. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 4.4-liter engine and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. The BMW X5 is an award-winning performance, space, and efficiency vehicle. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.